the best. So this, you'll get this castor oil. Make sure I'm highlighted on it. You're going to get this castor oil with the product that you order. Comes in this box. Comes with the castor oil. Where is it? Where is it? Comes with the castor oil. Comes with the drops. Comes with a drop top. A drop top. Like a drop top. And then it comes with 2 separate brushes. One for obviously your eyelashes, and 2 for whatever you want to put it on your eyebrows or anything. But it comes with these different little tools and accessories. I use this religiously for my eyelashes, and people are always like, oh my gosh, your eyelashes are so long, it brings out your eyes, makes them pop. And that's because I use castor oil on it. What I will do is I will take this little brush right here, this little baby, I take the baby, and what I do, because I'm like really big on like bacteria, I don't like that stuff, so I will put a drop of like on my hair, a tiny little drop. Like even now, like I put too much, but let me show you guys how I use this. Like you see that little drop, and then I will take this brush, kind of get it around there, get it around there, get it around there. And just like a mascara, I will put this on my eyelashes. And I'll make sure that I comb through all of my eyelashes and it gets the product. And then I will do the same to the other eyelash. And then when I am done doing that to both of my eyelashes, I will put some on my eyebrows because it's oil. So it takes up it uses like a little, goes a very long way. So just a little drop, and I'm able to use it on all these things I'm telling you. And then I will put a makeup remover on my little cotton round, and I will clean it. Or I will wash this. I do not recommend that you use this more than once on your eyes because your eyes are super sensitive. So once you've used it, it's one and done. You got to wash it. You got to wash it. You got to clean it for the next application if there is going to be another one. But guys, I have been using this. I have been using castor oil. And it has to be a good natural castor oil because a lot of items, again, they have synthetic material in it. And castor oil is no different. It has to be certified organic, which this one is. Certified organic, and I have it in my eye. So like my eye now is like, I'm blinking a little bit because it's like on my eyelashes. I usually do it only right before I go to bed. So I'm asleep by the time everything starts moving around. So I do it every night before I go to bed. But you have to get one that is 100% organic. And this is 100% organic cold pressed castor oil. Definitely get this. It is the best thing. You can also use this as a moisturizer on your skin. You can use this as, a moisturizer on your body. Castor oil is also very good for getting rid of marks, blemishes, dry skin, patchy skin. It's good for hair growth. Girl, take a couple of these, just a couple of these. Drop, 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 drop. And then what do? Take your fingers and literally massage it all over your scalp, along the front of your hairline, around the back of your hairline. Massage, massage, massage. Do that every single week. Once a week, and I promise you, your hair shafts will be so different. You will thank me. Castor oil is a big game changer. People from the islands have been using this baby forever. It just now is becoming such a big thing in the States because everything is now about being organic and stuff like that and being very natural. But people from the islands have been using this for a long time. This is nothing new to me or my upbringing or the people that I know. But it will definitely change your life. This castor oil is all of the business.